growing up there, ama-role models besinganawo. Ikasi nekasi, shuthi istrat nestrat, kune-Grootman eligangayo. And le-Grootman maliganga, siyalihlonipha. Ukwabona umuntu.
Kasha ama-role models besinawo.
Yeah.
But we didn't have positive role models.
Not positive. Estratini sethu, bekunama-TV ayi-2. So sinokubukela ngama-2 iron ama-TV. Until then i-grow to something big. Yangifastana. Sekuba indaba zokushaya ama-truck amanje. Adaye-ke la lento yena ama-weekend engekho le. Yabona, wozani la thina sishaya ibhathi. Ibhathi yini manje? Adaye wozani ngizonibonisa. Yabona, ibhathi ushuthi lento ukuthi mhlawumbe balandela umuntu obuya ebhenki phethe bambathule yabona. Kuba nomuntu ophakathi ekhampanini.
Sure.
Yabona, uyanitshela ukuthi bafowethu kune-truck ezophuma.
Yeah.
Iphethe umthwalo, mhlawumbe iphethe umthwalo we-100,000. But let me tell you the honest truth. Ijele libuhlungu, irrespective of what. Bangathi abantu badla 3 meals a day and stuff. Besasikhiya nje masithi. Thank you.
Mujapilo no JP Forest phakathi kweQuantum sirenga wonke umzansi boy isukile boy.
Let's go right to the sound of good times.
Another day, another dollar, another podcast, another episode, another opportunity to inspire and transform lives. $8 sharp fare. Welcome to another exciting episode of iQuantum Podcast. I-podcast yasekasi, i-podcast yomphakathi, i-podcast yabantu, i-podcast yomhlaba wonke jikelele. Bafethu, we are coming to you live from a higher food for life emfihlweni section ethembisa abayicavayo bathi 16:30 njengengulube 16:32 stand up. I believe by now you already know igama Kemsnash, the one and only mdrayiseni wasekasi. As always bafethu akenzeki ngirole ngi1 so vandag passenger city ngiphethe ipioneer yasekasi. Yabona if ufuna igawule emnandi, if ufuna ikota entswembu, ikota ene award.
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Udelisa Bembe. Boo 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 boo. Grootman.
Exe.
Ukrenda uthya.
Friend mnganami.
Ha ngimnandi.
Yeah.
Welcome to iQuantum.
Thanks my brother. Thank you so much.
Vandag uzorenka nami, ngiyona choice.
Yeah.
Uke wayeDurban?
eDurban ngeke ngayizwa.
Yeah, abantu abafana nabo babiza ngokusicapha.
Yeah.
Ila abahlala nomdrayiseni, abavula umnyango, abavala umnyango, abacofa nenyuku. Mina nje vandag sponsor uReya kuphela.
Okay.
Baromnanda uthya.
Ngimnandi.
Yeah, siyabonga kuzobloma nathi vandag. So usitshele ke ubani uDelisa?
Okay, uDelisa Bembe, Grootman lasekasi.
Sure.
Ngizalele khona la eThembisa ecaleni section.
Oh, uye eKhalambazi?
Yeah, ngibuye eKhalambazi.
Oh.
Yeah, ngizalele khona la ecaleni section.
Yeah.
I'm an entrepreneur. Ngibhala neincwadi. I also have an online class whereby I assist other businesses, especially those one who are struggling. Yeah.
Okay, basista kanjani? Ubafundisa imenu, ubafundisa ukupheka, like yini tuna?
Okay, shuthi kunala engiyenzayo from dala. I'm one person othanda ukugive back to the community, yabona. So
enginokubona ngama-video wabo.
Exactly, yabona. So nginokuthingeka nje thola ukuthi ngingene nje kuma pages wami, Facebook, TikTok, yabo. Then ngize nje nezinto nje. Ngibonisa abantu ukuthi if unenkinga esoy ibhizinisini lakho or what to buy, ngipromote namanye amabhizinisi, ama-supply, understand?
Okay.
Ngitshela abantu nje ukuthi no, if mhlambe urana ikota business and mhlambe uhlushwa into eso, nayi solution or wenza so, yabona through ama-pages wami. So abantu abaningi seba-aware ngalonto le, so bagcina sebangi-inboxa or mhlambe bangifonela ukuthi man Grootman nginenkinga la ibhizinisini lami akuhambi grand, ngicela uzongi-assist, yabo.
Sure.
So ngiyasuka ngiye kulowo muntu loyo ngibheke indawo yakhe ngimbuza ukuthi okay yini enza ukuthi struggle, yabona, angitshele to the point ukuthi ngigcine sengihlangana namanye amajita i-camera crew yami. So what we do, we go to a person oyenza whatever ayenza, mhlawumbe uyathengisa, sifike lapha simshuthe ngama-camera. Komunye ngamtransformela indawo yakhe from scratch, ngathola ukuthi akabekanga kahle itofu, equipment nje asifana ngayo ngayitshintsha yonke into sampendela sasusa amafutha phansi. I even taught him i-Degood. Namhlanje is the best selling Degood.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So why ikota uthiyami? Konke like kuzo zonke into bengasijuna amashita sekasa pheka inyama enhloko yenza inini, so why ikota?
My brother, I'm an ex-convict. So dide ngileyo kwenza ikota nama sandwich as you can see. Ngayifunda eDanyani. Yabona.
Okay.
Ngibuye ejele mina. I spent 7 years eDanyani. So mangiseDanyani yazi eDanyani kwenza into eningi. Abanye bayafunda, abanye benza ama Bible courses and stuff. So mina ukubalekela nje ukuthi ngabe ku gangsterism or ngingahlali kuma communal cell. I had ukuthi main kitchen sibiza Grootkom base.
Okay.
From Grootkom base ngayi restaurant yabo Gata. That's when ngafunda khona lezi zinto zabo makota and in. So this is the only business that I know and I master. Ngaze introduce ekasi ingekho. Basayenza lisitala.
Oh, bashaya isitala.
Bebasayishaya isitala.
Oh, ufike toaster wenza phela ngiyabona ukuthi ka toaster lo. Uyi trendsetter yakho.
2008 mnganami.
Yo.
Yeah, 2008.
Over a decade, bro.
Yeah, it's been long, 16 years now.
Sure.
Like into eyangenza ukuthi ngiqale ne ama reasons maningi, but one of which ukuthi amachidambe ngibhantita nawo wabuma Soweto Alexander Spruit babangishayela iround banokuthi endoda singadlala ikasi lakho ngazi like us khona boma fried chicken yabona
ama ribs.
Yes, into ezinjalo yabo. But mara mfana uyazi wena lentweni boshaya ibhodo wawungacala into yakho yabo. So ne time alarm nalo la ngitshela ukuthi mfana yazini esipani nangali ni manager yabo. But i-department yami ayihafi kangaka. And since wena wangitshela ukuthi le ntweni bowenza into so wawungasicalela ibusiness yabo. So ngathi hayi okay it's fine ngithi ngicalele ibusiness le yabo. Ngahamba ngasishayela i-research ngathola ukuthi ayikho at all. Yabona time la ngihlohla ke nge-10 sport.
Mfethu isho ukuthi amashita eDanyani bowagalwa kamnandi ukudlula thina singaphandle.
Not
Ivo bashayela ikota eso thina
Yeah.
kasishaya isikota esidala. So ile point engikhuluma ekizama ukuyiraise yomtho.
Yeah, not necessarily ukuthi bebagawulwa kamnandi mnganami ne. Bekuyi-restaurant yabo Gata.
Oh,
Yes,
ngiyakuthola.
yeah. So imenasi iphumile kancane ayikho phakathi in prison.
Sure.
Ile so if abantu bazovisit sibaphekela le badla le namayinya lawo. So eDanyani phakathi bese sidlela amaphaya ama-biscuits and stuff. Yeah.
Sure. All right. So ngikubone ku profile yakho ukhuluma ngePick n Pay negawulo.
I-Pick n Pay yona mnganami ne. Should be an institution bebayibiza bathi i-Talented Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, isikela sakhona besirana inyingami lebuye UK bese la imayibuye. So bebenzani lapha bebagelezisa ama entrepreneurs wala ikasi yabona. So basibize la bagelezisa and then bese bagaya grant yabo. So the first group yaya lapha bayigelezisa business lama business courses mabaqeda babafanda babagaya ama voucher ukuthi bayobhuy stock and stuff yabo. And then unfortunately yazinto zasekasi sometimes bantu badla inyuku abantu benzani. So thina we were second group.
Okay.
Basibiza saya nathi bathi hayi bafethu for nina unfortunately angeke sanikayi 100% support i-grant yabo. We'll only give you 80% and then nina nizo add 20%. Yabo. So you'll do whatever uyenza. If mhlambe une business yenyama bazofaya bakugelezisa i-course yenyama mhlambe abu blockman kanjalo yabona. So mina because I was doing food ngathi no mina ngifuna isikela sokupheka sobu chef yabona. But no mabacheka igela basipanisana nazo bekunesikela basibiza good food. Se Pick n Pay. Yeah, for chef course and then they sent me there ngageleza ke ngashaya i-course yami yokupheka yobu chef. Then ngayenza ama basics nama the other one. That's how I learned nga-upgrade i-learning yami yokupheka.
Mawubhekile wena yinto ebadrivele ukuthi bagcina bathi abantu abasabagaya 100% sabagaya 80 bona balahlela 20.
Abantu bayamosha Bram, abantu bayamosha kakhulu. Sidala zikhona lezi zinto. Even ama-bank kudala aboma Standard Bank, abo Nedbank,
African Bank.
Yes, they used to sponsor or help small businesses like us. But mase kumele sibahafe back. Sometimes angizenze msuka nami ngeke nga default at some stage yabo. Uthola ukuthi ibusiness alisahambi ngendlela. Or any mistake abantu abayenzayo, it's not giving a mentorship to those small businesses. You cannot give somebody imali or umnike ini and the next thing bese umyeke kanjalo. Mina I do mentorship. Like now I'm selling this book. When I sell you this book, ngiyakutshela ukuthi I'll give you a 1 month mentorship so that ungayiboni le ncwadi ngathi useless. You understand? Ngikukhaphe ngiloko ngikunceda kancane kancane. I've done that to a lot of people now like us. Namanje kunomunye uchero oceda ukuvula le ngase Ivory. She's doing quite well. Uyangifonela now and then inbox sikhulume nange WhatsApp angibuze mina abudelisa nalithonyana embhayizisayo yethu ajwanga ngimtshela. Yeah.
Okay, but mina vele into engifundile ukuthi umuntu that's why ama-business omathama wethu awile wonke.
Yes.
Because wena awulahlelanga ne-cent.
Yeah.
So but umuntu makalahlele le 20% nyani, yeah, uzoyivaluisha le.
Uzoyivaluisha.
Yeah, that's why nama-event mabathi free entrance. Abantu abayibona ngathi into engena.
Yeah.
But umuntu mangangena ngechoco mfethu. Yawenza umehluko elikhala lechoco lakho ukuthi hayi la ngihafile la. Yeah, lapho ne point. Okay, asiringe kancane sibuyele emuva uThiyami.
Yeah.
Just take us through your upbringing yabo. Gidelisa umncane uye kuyakhula eGasi bekathi.
Yeah. Okay, mina njengoba ngikutshela ngikhulele eColumbus.
Sure.
Yeah, icaleni. And masikhula thina.
Ungakuphi uThiyami? Ngaseshukumani, maseshukumani.
Hayi, ngabona emalahleni.
Oh, le top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stratus 2.
Sure.
Hayi ngisho lesasemalahleni lesesilandelayo.
Ndakashi.
Yes, yeah. Ngikhulele ngalapho. You know masikhula thina akufani nano. I always tell people ukuthi yazi i-youth yano they are so lucky, Brian. Banamafoni, they have everything. Bakhona ukubheka yonke into ngamafoni, ngama-gadgets, yabo. Thina bengekho la ile. The only form of entertainment thina lesinayo ukudlala i-disc. Sodlala ama-game la we-2 iron. Sinokusuka ngeenyawo mfethu from eColumbus siyele endulwini. Sodlala basithwagela ama-5 highways lapha endleleni.
Yona le bothi udlala ngayo.
Yebo uthi udlala ngayo yabo. So growing up there ama role model besinganawo. Ikasi nekasi, shuthi strat nestrat kunehlotmane ligangayo.
Yeah.
And le hlotmane maliganga salihlonipha. Ukwabona umuntu
kasasa ama role model besinawo.
Yeah.
But we didn't have positive role models.
Not positive ones. Yabona. Thina kithi lawa ganga yiyo bwa.
Sure.
So umuntu orun ibusiness ngalesa sikhathi or osipanayo ayibonga mboni. Uyangifasta. Ufuna lapha.
Ngoba labo balethe imoto esithope eGasi.
Balethe imoto ethope.
Lapha baphethe abantwana abathope.
Uyangifasta.
Life yabo nje imnandi.
Imnandi life yabo, yabona. And besingaboni anything wrong. Yabona. Even when I started ukuganga. Give me as business giving. Ngibona ku hawu into enormal enziwayo eGasi. There's nothing wrong. So growing up kanjalo sinokuvaya like Tamba Manyani, edladleni bekana TV. Yabona, but besiphila grand.
Okay.
Bekana TV, estradini sethu bekunama TV ayi2. So sinokubukela ngama2 iron ama TV. So masibukele lapha na Jampasini. Kwelinye idladla sokapho out yami. Bayabhayisa, sicela ukubona lapho into zokubhayisa ama entrepreneurs yabo.
Okay.
Babhayisa amakholi, ama snacks yonke lento le. Sinokuthi noma sibukele sometimes sesinokutshontshanyana yabona ukustoti
ama snacks.
Yeah. Nini sometimes masekugidliwe kwamanye amadladla bekunedladla opposite yabo linama apricots.
Okay.
Yeah, sinokuthi sisabukela iTV inyuku yethu ayikapheli. Khamba sitshela ukuthi hey ngo10 inyuku yeni iyaphela. Yabona ngabo ma 9 yana siyaphuma sishaya umthangala sotshontshela ama apricots. Yabona. Or sometimes masiblomile la sinokubona abantu baletha amabhodlela kabo letsotsi. Yabona. Siyibuza ukuthi hawu kanti amabhodlela bayabhayisa but yeah hawu ayabhadala sijuthane nezinye outside ukwabona eskimini nokubabhaya.
Sure.
Yabona. But kunalaba ozothola ukuthi niyaconnecta ni 2 3 sijuthane nezinye
siphethe umqondo ofanayo.
Siphethe umqondo ofanayo. Sijuthane nalezi sesiqale senzani sojotha amabhodlela and thina sijontshe ngawani. Kunenye wholesaler beyikhona lapha eduze yabo sinokushaya umthangala mina ngilasibona mina shuthi ngiyagada ngayi le ndala ishaya umthangala baka amabhodlela ibisecret balele mina ngilicove ngilibeke nalo wesithu kanjalo mase wayi3 siyahamba sokubhayisa
khona la nibukela khona in-crowd khona
last crowd khona iTV basibhadala. Yeah, you understand. So dide ngigcine seyiba intonyana ngathi ba serious apha
habit.
Yeah, sekuyi habit mara makhamba isikhathi hayi ngigcina sengiyohlala ne-old lam and reason ngiyohlala ne-old e-primary la begeleza khona ecaleni bengihlushwa imiza yabo
Okay.
Yabona amamiza wakudala sometimes bewanganazwelo. I think imiza yami mhlambe beyine stress or into because esikhathini esibaye beyinokuzihasile or inokutshwala yabo.
Sure.
Inganayo lento nje yokuba nesineke nabantwana besikele.
Sure.
So mina I'm deaf on one ear.
Okay.
Ngizwa ngendlebe eyi-1.
Oh.
Iyezwa le but izwela phansi.
From
Nayo-
intwana.
From ngiseseyintwana.
Oh.
So beyidineka le
Eh, asho thina siyaprofeta, ne? Bona sikubike kuliphi side.
Yeah,
Le ndlebe esipanayo yiyo le.
Na yile kaleyo.
Sure.
Yabona.
Yeah.
Although nalese iyezwa kancane. Yabona.
Okay.
So imiza yami inokukhinyeka man. Hey kumele ngirepeatele izinto. Hayi wena uyabhora. Hey wena wawungezwa.
Hey,
You understand?
udom.
Yabona.
Yeah,
And
yawazi
ngislam
amagama. Yeah.
blind. Hayi dladleni badaya yazini. Ngcono uyohlala noLady lakho. Yabona ngigcine ngimuva ngiyobloma noLady lami nestepfather sami. Qala isikela kabusha. Ngikhohlwe yonke ke lento yobutsotsi. Yabona. Until high school sengihlangana nezinye out zami sisuse futhi.
Isa. Isesekhona lento ku DNA yakho. Ayikaphumi.
Ayikaphumi yabona.
Sure.
And manje sinaleza silezi zamaphanki yabona kudala besigcoka isinika
Sure.
yabona yeah sithanda lempilo yangala overseas USA yabo sithanda ithekeni ini and kabo lena idlala ikeyboard esontweni
Yeah.
yangifrustana
Yeah.
so kibo bayifrustana nje baphila isicheese yangifrustana nenye so abakhule naye so banokuyigayikari yona le yase church bayigaya iskopo esinokuhamba ngale skopo hawi man ile mpilo imnandi mos
Sure.
lokuthi sibe nekari siyintwana
Yeah.
sasifune yethu manje ethi thina yabona
Hayi le
nangapha
bazonicontrola.
nangapha yabona ithekeni maninekari
Sazilahle.
kumnandi
Eh, ukhule kamnandi.
yabona and manje le mali le asiyitholi crash
Sure.
yabo so kabo le bebane connection yakwenye bekunenye i-conference center so le conference center banokusibiza mhlambe ngama weekend or masingayanga isikele or after school basitshela ukuthi no sizosipanda shoot niyafona lapha nibhuki yabona nisho bazonitshela ukuthi okay kune function ye-brewery ne function yase Coca-Cola API kanjalo yabona niyaya lapha noba ama waiter shothi kuzoba namatafula mhlawumbe kunama guest 8000 yabona thina sizoba ama waiter sibaserve siba ama wine steward
Oh, beyindawo esifana nabo Galaga la
yes
mid range.
yangifrustana yeah
A
So-
conference center.
yeah so ama sister wale yiba basifaka kule spot bekade ama sister ayi2 bese kube ile bra yami bese kube yenye bese kuba yimi yabo sinokufaka ngale kari so thina masifika la njalo thothi masese kuse jumpasini sesibona imbobo ukuthi man la kumnandi yabona ejumpasini ingami lama sesiqale sesidakiwe sokumnyama lapha siyaphuma thina sesela ejardini ngisho isecurity lile gate ligadile thina la ejardini ama wheel cap sofaka isikopini emuva
Yo.
ama wheel cap into esiyitholayo nje currency sayifaka
Yeah.
uyangifrustana
Yeah.
masifike lokishini siyabhayisa sasibane izimani uyangifrustana izimani until that then it grow to something big uyangifrustana sekuba indaba zokushaya ama truck manje
Yo.
uyangithola
Ama truck ngishaya. Ama wheel cab ngishaya.
no i-trucker straight
Nish high truck straight.
i-trucker straight shuthi lento icala kanjani enye ibra yethu or uyabona ade bafethu ngiyabona ngathi hayi senihamba phansi ngani ngiyabona iclever zakudala zakhona ukubona omunye umuntu seka iclever uyabona ngiyabona ngathi senihamba phansi ngani uyabona ade hayi ke la lento yena ama wheel cap engekho le uyabona uzani la thina sishaya ibhathu sithi ibhathu yini manje ade hayi uzani ngizonibonisa uyabona ibhathu shuthi lento ukuthi mhlambe balandela umuntu obuya ebank uphethe inyuku bambhathule uyabona kanjalo ayi thina sithi
Ogama lithi bhathu libuya igama lokubhathula.
lokubhathula
Sure.
yes yabona so kunalapha emashop wakudala bekumiwa khona yabo
So lento kuma ama-shop into yafantuka.
dala leyanto
Oh.
yeah shuthi kuyamiwa lapha ikari yafika laba bani ikari icleves ikari zokufika mayifika ipaka ngiyagibela ngiyazilahlela awubuzi noma ifike enye seniyischeme kanjalo kuyahanjwe kuyogama so thina ngoba sabathwasana abasazi sinokuthi sifika nje ayishaye ngomzimba bagibele sigcine sesiyeka so le out yami
No njalo niyabhama.
thina
Kahle
siyabhala
kahle lapha bekufana le system yakudala yokuthi no market ama family mabavule uyangena
Yes.
abakuvalele ubhayisekile.
exactly
Sure.
yabona so leni out ethi sihamba nayo mntana kamfundisi ihlala inezibhani ukuthi sithola kanjani mina ngazi yabona ayigcina seyisitshela ukuthi man yazi kunento so yabona kunento abayibiza ukuthi ama truck ejekile yabo kuba nomuntu ophakathi ecompany
Sure.
yabona uyanitshela ukuthi bafowethu kune-truck ezophuma
Yeah.
iphethe umthwalo mhlawumbe iphethe umthwalo we-100,000
Okay.
yabona mhlawumbe iphethe electrical appliances
Inside job.
petty cruiser yabona yeah but ishawa kanjani lonto ne-scout andivele niyishaye mhlawumbe asho ukuthi hayi lento izophuma next week yabona niyeza Monday niyibheka ihamba kaso okay isuka la emfihlweni ingene emangweni bese seyiye view yabona okay so imela lapha erobotini sibhathule skip udriver sithathele and manizoyishaya kanje seninomuntu onizombhayisela kumele kube sekunesitapula yabona ngiyavana ufuna umuntu ngiyamtshela bayantshela ngisho clever zakudala zonitshela ukuthi hayi kunengami leso kunomuntu oso uyazithenga ama stolen goods bese asifake eshop yakhe azibhayise oh okay if isithola umthwalo mhlawumbe we100 thina lapha sithengisa 50,000 iyafa then siqhaye lo mali yabona gcina sokuba into enjalo but let me tell you the honest truth Brian mina ubutsotsi bekungasinto yami bekukuphapha nokufoster nje ukulandelela izinto into ingakufuni
Nokufitha in.
sure yabona ubutsotsi azange njengoba ngikutshela nasekucaleni ukuthi azange ngisibize mina ngesigebengu yabona nje ukuthanda ukwenza and because bengingayiboni lento kuyinto wrong ngibona nje kuyinto emnandi into enormal yabona and mina mangikhona asitholi new I'm telling you
Wena ulethe ibhadi
ulethe ibhadi yabona I'm sure ngihole kayi1 kayi2 leyanyu yabona okay lokho masacala lokho kwama will cap untshontshiswe imoto leyo bengiyithola imali enjalo mara manje lobutsotsi lobo serious lobo hayi man shothi makungayiwa mhlambe kayi5 ngeviki mina ngizopopa kayi1 yangithola njalo ngiyabhaba until size siyeheceni yabona inyanga idama bafethu sesinenye S4 enye ibrayethu yabo behlala emoyeni naye sesijoyinile yabo
yiyo le plug kule hece
eheceni siplagwa ile Brian le ekuyiyenkulu kithi yabona plus beyindala nakithi sonke yabona so masiya lapha eheceni idiamond sesi4 besi3 kuqala sesi4 so le heceli idiamond bafethu lakini man kunomuntu onebhadi ekungamela kanifaya naye
yes sir
sithi hayi wena man uwe wena onebhadi sikhomba lesanda ukufika
yeah
kanti mfowethu man aya vela ekugcineni hayi
maya mashina amacebo kuzo kanje lawo asafuna ukuvana nawo or sewagaba
hayi abazi ukuthi yima ngisho enye into kuba nalento ukuthi sometimes siyayeheceni
kanti manje ehecela nivayini for
sivasi4 but angisho iqhega likwazi ukuthi uwe ukulibiza ngegama lizothi oyi1 la yini yabona
wena ufind out kanjani ukuthi uwe
mase sengiboshiwe yabona mase ngiqale ngitrace ama steps
ngiyakuthola
yabona ngiyabona abafethu bahlale bapopa noma sengiboshiwe mina abafethu bapopa bapopa west
hambile le ebhadi
ihambile le yanjani bapopa mnganami bapopa kabuhlungu kabi to the point ukuthi ngathi noma sengiphuma eDanyani onedlala eBrian la ngitshela ukuthi yazi Godfrey igama lami lesigela uGodfrey
sure
ya leli delisa nickname ngayiphiwa ugogo wami Sangoma yabona yeah so athi yazi Godfrey bengazi ukuthi ngiyaganga abantwana bami yabona to the point ukuthi umngane wakho okay le bras zami ezithu zishona ngisedanyana yabona lenye bayishaya bayoganga bayospin and then lenye yashona etrial yabona and lema eshona letrial ngezwa bathi beseyinyuku blind yabona kwayona le beseyivukile
bese kumaqhuzu
kwayona le esele nginayo manje iyaba top kabuhlungu kabi yabona gcina sihlala le boma apartment kanjani so mangihleli ngi1 ngithi hayi shuthi kahle vele mina lile ngibe ngingangifuni yabo yabe ngifoster ngoba ngeke ngahamba even nabanye abantu mhlawumbe sibamba before amafoni asangena yabona sizama ukubamba inkunzi yefoni mara bayizothengiswa leyo phone leyo mina ngizothola bo ma50 nyana serious uthola spicy phone
akunokho unokho amashita akho
yabona ngibona ukuthi or ngibhari or nginebhadi yabona so that is why ngithe noma sengiphuma ejele ngadala yampilo leya nayo
before uphuma uthi amungena kanjani nje
okay ejele kube nale truck le sithola ispan se truck yabona okay le truck lena mayiphuma ayisilandele besi7 amajita yabona amajita ayishaya yabona abayishaya thina sifaka nge-BM emuva yabona sithathe labantu abayi-2 okay abantu abadrive sithi idumbu yabo skipele idumbu sisifake ekareni
Sure.
yabo so because thina besiganga sinozwelo unlike lento eyenzeka manje
Hayi ke benza kudala uthi besingamkhawatha umuntu.
yangifrustana
Bebacovela into abacovela yona bakushiya.
bakushiya
Sure.
yabona sithathe labantu okay laba bavaye netruck mabafika esitapureni thina sithatha labantu laba soma somewhere somela ikhole yalabo abasitshela ukuthi hayi
Sengumnandi.
i-truck aseyisafe
Sure.
yabona bese sishiya labantu kuphi estation la bazokhona khona i-transport
Mara bafike benicabanga yo. Hayi bakulahlela eshathini nje yami.
bawungafa lana uyafustana angisho ukuthi mfowethu yabona ubugebengu namanje siyasho ubugebengu bu-wrong
Sure.
by all means ubugebengu bu-wrong angeke ubugebengu buvuke bu-right
Ezva.
that is why even if noma ngirenga sirenga nabo scheme nobani scheme uzokutshela always uscheme bekuyi kingpin yama-heist
Sure.
mara uscheme uzokutshela ukuthi mfana Mr Bembe ubugebengu bu-wrong abukaze baba-right
Hlala yisho leyo.
abo-Sylvester bazokutshela ukuthi ndoda ubugebengu
Awungitsheli lo.
awutsheli lo bu-wrong
Ngiyambona bekakhona ku-book launch yabo.
bekakhona
Naku
awuthi
scheme ngabonile yakho.
Yeah.
Besonke.
i-outzam lezo
Sure.
yeah so saboshwa kanjalo masicale sidrobha labantu yabona sidrobha labantu ukuthi bazothola i-transport so masisamile kanje kuvela ikari patrol yabo gadi but private yabona senza ngathi sishayisa 69 yabona sondele le kari yabo bakhipha amagana abo gadi basikhombe yabo leyo drive ithi hayi khululeka iphume ithi yokhuluma nabo yabona makathi ukhuluma nabo bathi hey don't bathi wena ochamayo ngala nawe ima kanjalo niyaphi sithi hayi besishaya 69 bathi ithi siseshe imoto lo gati uthe makathi uvule emuva futhi asibafakanga nasebhuthini leyo isicabanga ngakhona balele so emuva backseat lo gati uthe makathi uyavula ajumpe lo gati bavela bathi hayi lalani phansi basikhafe babiza i-backup. That's how we were arrested.
Bekuyiphathi.
Bekuyiphathi. Vele court bavele bathi hayi 25 ayin. 25 years. 15 eye-robbery. 10 years eye-kidnapping bayi-2. Shuthi umuntu oyi-1 is 5 years. 5 years. Sigwetshwe kanjalo.
25 ayin awuthiyanga.
25 ayin.
It's too much.
At that time mfowethu ngina 20.
Shoot manje uyophuma na 45.
Yeah. But luckily
According to bona.
Yeah, but luckily masile phakathi.
Mara ngisho i25 yangada i25 akusi 25.
It's 25 straight.
Is what
It's
18 and a half.
Yeah, 13 and a half.
Okay.
Yeah, but ke mina luckily ngithole okay shuthi
No, it's 12. Not
yeah,
12 and a half.
it's 12 and a half. Yeah.
Sure.
Dining. Appeal. Shuthi inyuku lebe sinayo. Amachita ayoba neqiniso yabantu bashiya something edladleni. Yabo. So inyuku iphele. Ithama lami lisitholele advocate.
Okay.
Advocate ke bathathe i10 ayin kimi.
Sure.
Bangaflele ngisale nga15.
Yeah.
Because mina was a first time offender.
Okay.
So I choose wami lo bengiboshwe naye bekasa sign yabona under parole.
Oh.
So mina ngisale nga15 years. 15 ngihlale 7.
Yeah,
From 2000 kwethu 2000 ngabuya 2007.
Yo. Macala imele nyamwe nomphakathi.
Ngiphakathi ndoda. Ngiyadonsa.
Yo.
Semaximum.
Yo.
Ndoda unokulala kanje ngayikulela umuntu owenza 10 life sentences. Ngayikulela umuntu owenza 100 years. Yeah.
They've got nothing to lose.
They've got nothing to lose. The person owenza isigwebo esincane umuntu owenza 15 years.
Sure. Khona labo fahleke khona.
Yeah. Maximum.
But how was life inside there?
Honestly speaking, iSun City ngithi thanks God zange boshwe kwamajele answembu njengabo ma Ncome Pauls mo Westville lapho siyabuya.
Was visible ne? Okay.
Akukhala indoda lapho.
Ish.
Yeah. So Sun City it's correctional service. It's more like a crash.
Okay.
Yeah, iSun City abantu bafaka amateku abo, bafaka amawash, bafaka
Sure.
amafoni.
Sure.
But let me tell you the honest truth. Ijele libhlungu irrespective of what.
Yeah.
Bangathi abantu badla 3 meals a day and stuff. Lesasikhiya nje masithi sishaya inhlizweni. So life was tough. Ngaqala manje nga recall ezinye izinto ngamisa nje ukuwalker ngestory or nekhoneni. ya understand izinto nje ezincane
Ume egeyidini nje.
ya kuma egeyidini
Ubona amajita adlula, ubona abantu badlula bayespanini, babuye esigela.
tata mawubona inyoni uyisha ngathi ngabe ile yanyoni mawubona ihobo mhlawumbe unokrobanyana siyakhona ukubheka sometimes yabona ubhekele ngaphandle enatural ubona ihobo nyana uyisho ukuthi yasani ngabe ngilo yamuntu
Nje yampela lapho senaturena mfethu.
yeah
Nisesaba vele top.
yeah
Ngibona abantu badlula ngetrans lapha enaturena.
eh
Thoche engaka.
ya bekuyithotsha Brian prison was tough and mangifika ke mina ngifikele kwenye section bathi kuse dissection beziphenduka lapha beziphenduka dissection khalumese ndoda khala isijumbane shuthi first night masifika sifika nezinye intwana zase Sun City zama juvenile besibuye ngetruck e1 lokho zasigwajisa
Sure.
yes Sun City nizonya nina kwasha kwacima yabona kwasha kwacima kwasha ini sishaya umthetho mina zange ngishaya umthetho angina tattoo yangiforstand abafike vele basifake shuthi masifika umaqhuzu uyabona umuntu ophethe section manifika uyanimisa sona line ayanibuza ama 28 baphume bayisayidini ama 26 sayidini ama big 5 yabona nina ningashaya umthetho bayanibuza yabantu bakababa ya yabona wena ubuya Israel one side spray Thembisa uMathokoza yabona Soweto one side bese ke babize lama eyiboshwa lezi ekuyizo sisebenze baseyilini bazonithatha bathi hayi naliseli laseThembisa wena naliseli lasesprit yeah so ngathi
Mara
mangifika
kungcono.
yeah kungcono
Bagroupa nezaseKaslala.
bagroup anezaseKaslala yabona so mina was so like ngifika vele eseyilini labazalwane yasontwa lapha yana yonke leminyaka yabona le ntwana bazifake eseyilini elisenext door yabona lela se shuthi sithema sivuke ekseni bathi sibuye strong lezi bese sigwajisa sezikhala zithi zona zama juvenile sifuna ukuhlala kuma juvenile kwabhoda umuntu phela sel
First day.
first night
Active.
lapha program bewuthi moyophaka ne awuhambi uyi1 kumele nihambe ni group so ngithema ngifika mina lapha yana bathola ukuthi nezifyunyana ezaseThembisa kuyathembisa kuphi yabo ngena no choose wami yabona choose wami bayamazi yabona prasiphule yabo kuthiwa ezaseThembisa ayakunankinga
Kazobe ikasile grand Khalambazo vele ikasi kudume ngobugebengu.
yes yabo now but manje bese ngihlala emangweni nje yeah so kube nalele ukuthi hayi masiva kube nezinye out zase-Ivory group and sort yabona makuyophakwa number ni group so that bangazon attacker is yabo namanimile courtyard you must lean against the wall ukuthi ubheke yonke into movement enzakalayo yeah yabo sinokuva sehle ngeyidebhisi angisho amasela phezulu sehle ngeyidebhisi siyophaka ekitchen mase nibuya ngeyidebhisi sekunegazi kuchithe kumdoko so itanyana uhlala uthukile I think it took me about 3 months man ukuthi ngeve a peaceful night sleep bengagidli njalo lala ngelihleli 1 mawuseshawa uyacabanga bangathi ngenela laba grape you understand and manje or bakwazi you understand and manje enye into ithotsha ibhayedanyana cala amanzi okushawa ayabanda ice cold shothi ukuthi ugeze until 2 am khona into ongageza ngo1 or 2
Mfethu akekho.
yabona you are forced to take a bath that time because from 3 ukuya until 5 amanzi sewayabanda from lukewarm to cold
Ngabe uthi angcono.
ngabo 2 asashisa
Okay.
yabona igiza beyisashisa steam and then mele ngigcina ukugeza ngo5 clean iseli bese ngo6 amaphoyisa angena azonikhawula ukuthi nisaphelela kekho escape
Ayitshele ngempela because of there's no need banivuse early kanje ngoba anindawo.
asindawo yeah punishment
So
Yeah.
usurvive kanjani nje?
no njoba ngisho ngigcine sengenzani njoba ngihlala la yabona sengiyafunda nami ngiyabona ngithi no yazini ngiswile ngale kule section 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 yabona section bathi section yama celebrate you know why bathi section yama celebrate unhlanhla mbambo bekangala yabona yeah so ngimokola ngisho sengiyalazi nami idanyana ngimokola bangitshela ukuthi abofuna ukuya ngale khipha imali yabona ngimokole ngigaya bohata kunabo hata abacorrupt idanyana ngibanika imali bathi ayihamba ngifike ngala ngithola ukuthi ngala isiyatsantsa yabona ngifike ngale ngimite ezinye itsotsi enye yasesprit bathi ufono nezinye zaseSoweto abomnguni kuyahlala la eThembisa yabona zingwelcome vele grand ngale vele hayi istrafu sabe kamnandi yabona but still kuse maximum man you are restricted ngihlele 2 years mina ngana contact visit ngibona abantu bami through ama-glass lela glass angikhona ukubathinta angikhona ukwenzani ingcosi yami mangiboshwa beyina 8 months ngibuyina 8 years yabona so that thing yangibulala
Yeah, you missed that 8 years.
yeah yabona ngalela
No,
glass
simeqala ikhasa ayiboni.
mfethu that time umamakhe uthe mangicela ukugwetshwa same time wahlukana nami
Hey, rough nje.
yeah I was so lonely I was so lonely yeah prison was tough ngayo yonke indlela
Ubona ngathi wonke umuntu ujikele.
ngathi wonke umuntu ujikele
Kahle kushaya umhlaba.
yes yabona yeah it was bad man it was bad yabona
Okay.
yeah
Well, enough about prison now. Interview is not about prison. Yabo.
yeah
But you obvious bekubaleka ukuthi sivule lapho ngoba impilo dlule.
of course
Sure. All right, Otyam. Asiqale ngencwadi yakho yokuqala.
Yes.
Yabo. So, here's your first book,
yeah
The Secret of the Best-Selling Kota.
yes
Hi. What inspired the book and what is the book about?
okay what inspired this book ne ngibe na distingo namnganami abantu banokufika kimi yabona abanye abantu aba-own ama-business uthola umuntu afika ngibhayisela izinto yabona ke abanye awuthiyama ase-Ivory naye yeza kimi athi mfethu hayi nazi into like wangipha like ama-gas stove ama-gas cylinder like it was like next to nothing because zonke lezi zinto zangikhost about 1.5 bese imkhathazile le business ngoba nelinye ihotmani lase-beach nalo leza kimi so ngazibuza ngababuza labantu labo bafethu kahle kahle why ningibhayisela lezi tata into ibhizinisi ayihambi kahle yabona wena mhlawumbe ihamba kahle ngoba une-luck ngathi no sometimes it's not about luck yabona lento ifuna i-patience yabona ne-consistency you understand enye reason engisuthi ngibhalele incwadi sinenkinga mfana la eSouth Africa yeah ikota is our heritage direct ngilebe yenziwa kudala into ekumele ihambe generation to generation kunabantu aba-reach through ikota kunabantu abageleza isinco sesingamleni abanama families through this thing yabo so ngathi yazini because there's nothing wrong ngalabantu abathatha iphanza Brian don't get me wrong I'm not hating yabona because of i-mistake yenziwe yithi nalamathama wakudala angazenzeni wabhayiza amashop wavala yabona neyiphanza zavala so
ngale afika resurrecta ibusiness ewi
yes yabona so this thing ngibalekele ukuthi ithathwa abanye abantu so ngithi mina I want to teach i-youth yasemzansi because mina masicala lento le ye-kota business
but already sorry to interrupt you
yeah
already nini ngakubona ipostile KFC yayishaya ikota
yeah but not like us
yeah but the point with they are trying to steal our concept
yeah they're trying to steal our concept but they cannot do it like us thina siyenza
definitely
you understand so ngoba this thing ukuthi no man yazini ithi ngigelezise i-youth because thina ne bangakhumbula grand you know mothengisa ikota bokubuka ngathi omunye umuntu ongcolile
sure
bengekho yabona yithi senze yaba glamorous
yabona uhlaluka amafutha and stuff
yeah mara manje mangathi yabheka trend ikota
sure
yeah ishawa ama celebrity
sure
idliwa ama celebrity
abantu ba drive from eSandton bezekazi
bezekazi sure yabona kunabo DJs bu abo-own ama-business wamakota abo KFC benza amakota abo Woolworths benza amakota seyatrend
bona seWoolworths khona
yeah
okay
bayicalile Woolworths
okay
manje kodwa
yazi benzeni bacasha bodaka basegazi
exactly yeah so into enginspire ukuthi ngifuna ukugelezisa i-youth ngale ncwadi Graham ngale ncwadi kuphela le ncwadi is not only about doing ikota akuse ama receipt kuphela okwenza ikota but it's a business book it teaches you step by step like yabona mina ngithanda ukwenza i-example ukuthi asithi manje bakuga 10,000 yabona njengami mina ngayicala nge-10,000 so if I can give you this book njengawe wena ungayenzi business yamakota yabona or mhlawumbe umshana wakho ufuna yenze yabona even if bayibhale incwadi Brahma abo businessmen bayibhaya yabona asho ukuthi hayi yazi le ncwadi ngiyithengela umzukulu wami or umshana Yabona, you buy this book, you get 10,000. Mawuloku ufunda le ncwadi iyakuthatha yona iyakugaya step by step. Before iyokufundisa ukwenza amakota, ikugaya i-direction
Ye-business.
ye-business le ncwadi le.
Sure.
Ikutshela ukuthi how to register your business.
Okay.
Yes,
Alright.
it's all in this book.
Oh.
Ngicompile yonke
Ah,
into.
it's a very productive book, Mos.
Personal hygiene, yabona, kitchen hygiene, it's all in this book. Yabona.
Siphume kancane encwadini.
Yeah.
Asikhulume nge-hygiene Thiyami because
Yeah.
of abantu abaningi. I believe into beyenza ukuthi ikota business ingabi ne-value. Hygiene.
Hygiene.
Because of number one, bebazosibhanisa amafutha angcolile.
Yes.
Nabo ngokwabo bangcolile.
Yeah.
Into okhulume ngayo ukuthi beningene endaweni nibapendele. Thola ubona amafutha ashisile, hlangene. Yeah, so manje akhona ama-inspector inspector indawo zamakota manje.
Unfortunately, ziningi le ndawo. And I think mhlambe masipala wethu or government yethu uyavilapha ukuhambela le ndawo. The only places lapha inspector khona kusema malls. I once had a shop at Davidson Mall.
Oh.
Big shop there.
Okay.
A beautiful shop. So my inspector was I saw.
Yeah.
Even now like us, like Mangweni, mina ngine certificate sama health inspector, besa by inspector.
Sure.
Back then in 2012.
Okay.
By inspecting the yami, by shy stamp with no, I can bang go ahead with bias.
Okay.
You understand? Certificate of acceptability. Yeah, but so hygiene is very important, Brian. Ingosi ziyagula, kunama food poisoning, kuna yonke le nyaka. Yabona, kunokugena igundwana, amaphela yonke le nyaka. So indawo inidi ukuthi be clean, ukhona uku-attract. Mina indawo yami ngicomment Brian, bazokutshela. Kunokupaka ezinye ikari lapho, uzozibuza ukuthi le kari le izobhayikota. Yebana. Kumi Porsche, kumi Jiwa, like those guys abacula amapiano. Abo DJ Shimza has been to my place. Abo DJ aba top. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah. They come to my place. I'm a poise, appeal up because of what? The hygiene. Yeah.
Is Kota Joy a local brand?
Unfortunately, no. Yeah, but I've heard, but I'm not sure. Yeah, but because nambagi bang approach. Mayisafika yeah ike abakhona lapha eMcansi kwezelinye Hlotmane belihlala eEsland Park la ngitshela ukuthi mfethu kunezinye ingane ezifuna ukushaya something yabona asiyithathe singene back then bengibusy kabuhlungu ngenasikhathi somunye umuntu yabona so they took over and they are winning, they are making millions through lelo nale.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. So thina silekha ini enye into asihlangananga sabantu basekazi omunye nomunye ufuna ukwenza into yakhe.
But I think more than everything, as much as ukhuluma nge-unity, la ibalulekile ngesapho.
Yeah.
But i-packaging, basishaya nge-packaging. Packaging,
yeah,
professional.
Yeah.
Sure.
And then i-packaging is very expensive, Bram. Yeah, i-packaging is expensive. Ifuna ukuthi ngathi ungaba ne-budget yayo.
Okay.
Yeah, ube ne-budget yayo on the side. Uzobona ukuthi i-packaging i-blind kanjani. Inokushaya ama-company amakhulu. Yeah, kuba ne-incident yenye ilona i-Romance Pizza somewhere in Davidson. You know labantu bebayi-repackage basebenzise the very same boxes.
Ama-box abasipanisile.
Yeah. Ubone ukuthi i-packaging is expensive.
Eish.
Yeah. Although i-packaging attractive.
And i-packaging phela ihambelana ne-branding.
Yeah.
Yeah, because ndiyakumaketha automatically.
Iyakumaketha.
Ubona i-box elibhale Romance Pizza uzoyazi.
So yes.
Yeah. And next time acabanga i-pizza uzocabanga yona because le box le.
Because of that box.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Asingene to second book.
Yes.
Yeah, the second book is Bouncing Back. Yo, I love this book. I haven't read it yet, but been called book launch.
Yes,
So,
I remember.
Yeah, the reason you're here is because of this book
Yes.
launch.
Yeah.
Asiringi ngale ncwadi othiyami because uthema kakhuluma ngayo athi you stole my title yabo. Uthi kahle kahle yimi bekumele ngibhale i-Bouncing Back because of kule season le ukuthi vele I'm bouncing back. And indeed he is bouncing back.
Yeah.
So what inspired the book and what is the book about?
Yeah, ngiyabonga nje ukuthi ukhulume ngohloko.
Sure.
Umngane wami, my
Sure,
friend,
sure.
a very humble guy. I
Sure.
love this guy.
Yeah.
Unestory esirich kabi yabona.
Because nama ngizom-invite vele bese book launch.
Yes, I remember.
Sure.
Yeah. I-bouncing back ne shudwe na Brian yindlela engibonisa abantu ngakhona ukuthi elifini ungalahli thawula. Yabona? Firstly, my dream was to be a chartered accountant.
Sure.
But unfortunately, through indlela bengizihamba, azange saphumelela ukuthi ngibe chartered accountant.
Awuhloko umngane wakho mampela naye uthi wafuna ukuba i-CA.
Yes. Yabona. So azangiphase kahle, but I opted for bengisethesha ngafeli first year yami. Bengenza i-marketing management eDoornfontein.
Okay.
Yabona eVetsTech.
Yeah.
So
Hamara busle mos.
kakhulu Brian.
Busle.
Bengislam blind mina.
Hey, crime cisha kubhayizisa. So.
Yeah, cisha ngibhayizisa.
Sure.
Yabona. So going to prison mangibuya esanipra zami lezi benginazo ebesinala amaphupho amakhulu seziphumelele.
Okay.
Mina ngisele. Zinemizi, they're driving big cars. I remember I went to some institution eJoburg, yabona. Bangitshela ukuthi hey man, awu wena siyakwazi man. Bo ngitshelwa yini itheke ne receptionist yabona. It man wena bongasumngana bo Kevin nabo Trevor eSkele bethi ngithi ya ngithi baphi labo bantu ate indoda labo bantu bavanga ezinye ikari bahlala kwamanye ama suburbs. Kancane yangihetha la yeke. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngabe nami ngida. Yabona, but I told myself ukuthi no, I'm going to bounce back.
Okay.
Yeah, that's when ke ngaqala ukubhala lencwadi ngibhala istory sami ukuthi bengine opportunity from ngisaseyintwana ngislam intelligent. Bekislam blind scale ngishaba position 1 yabona June December ngeenkathi zethu bekuphuma ngaposition yabona along the way ke ngakhubeka yabona ngasithola sengisejele, but here I am outside and then I'm bouncing back.
You're doing well.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So ngizama ukubonisa abantu ukuthi you can bounce back from anything. Bowudla ama drugs, bogembula. It's not about idanyana because of me.
Yeah.
But for omunye umuntu
Sure.
uyakhona
Because when you personalize ngisho vele.
Exactly.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Omunye nomunye uzopersonalize kulento
Yeah.
emkhawathini.
Exactly.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right. So how do we get hold of your books?
Okay, incwadi zami okwamanje nesitholakala kimi. Mawusifuna uyang WhatsApp or ngifonele.
Give us your social handles.
Okay, yeah, ku Facebook ngithola ku Delisa Bhembe.
Okay.
And then ku TikTok Delisa Bhembe.
Sure.
Yeah, you are my social wami active kakhulu lawo.
Okay.
Otherwise ungangifonela 079 979
Yeah.
4696.
Sure.
And then order incwadi.
Let's repeat it, okay?
079 979 4696.
All right. All right. Ne, siyabonga bhuti. You're such an inspiration
Thank you so
to
much.
ikasi lonke yabo because
Yeah.
of your heart, your good heart.
Yeah.
Like you always give back to ikasi, unceda
Yes.
abantu,
Yeah.
like charity work, sponsor yabo.
Yes.
So, asele ngebirthday yakho tja.
Yeah.
Ngibonile ipost
Yes. Yeah.
So, what is your plan for your birthday this year?
Okay, this year ne, my plan ingihlulile last year.
Okay.
Yeah, because last year bengisakhubekile kahle after my failed business at Davidton.
Oh.
So asangikhone ukumarketa this thing. Yabona ukuthi bengifuna ukuyenza last year.
Yini
ukuthi-
efile business yakho? Sizobuka.
Okay, i-business yami lapha ne, i-location is very important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The location was not okay for me.
Okay.
Yeah, le ndawo yangale ayifani nesethembisa. Yabona. And another thing, ama-business wethu ngifuna ukutshela nombukeli ekhaya ne. Ama-business wethu especially lama-business wama-cotton stuff akusama-business okumele wafake emall a-right ekasi.
Okay.
Yabona, I'm not discouraging anyone ukuthi ayozama, but I've been there, I've studied the place and benginama-mentor ayi-3. Sonke sabona ngokufana ukuthi this kind of businesses zi-right ukuthi uzithoyele indawo esmart uyenze ibe yinhle ifane nayo yona le. Yabona, but emall rent it's very expensive.
Ayizokushaya irent
It's
emall out yami.
very expensive. My space alone was 60K. My rent was 60,000 monthly. So bekumele ngenze malini ukuthi ngenze intwana. Kumele ngenze from 300K upwards. That time abantu balapha bebahlula.
But did you break even?
You can't even break even, my brother.
That's bad.
You can't even break even. Yabona. So that is why ke i-idea yami yafela la yabona. So currently so ngathi ngiyayenza le birthday yami le charity yami work yami last year yangibhayisisa zange sakhona. So usually what I do ngama birthday wami ngiye primary school le ngafunda kuyo. So ngibiza like abantu ingosi lezi esferjara nami ngo-August.
Okay.
And then through ama-business engibhaya kuwo. Okay, bekunenye angeke ngiyibize ngegama ne because manje sengisebenza nabanye.
Okay.
Bekunenye i-bakery bengisipana nayo
Yeah.
before,
Yeah.
yabona.
Yeah.
Because ngiyazi le yamanje izoyibukela i-podcast
Sure.
izoyibona. So bekunenye i-bakery bengisifana nayo kuqala.
Ngiyawabona pictures wakudala.
Yeah.
Trendile khona.
Yes. So whenever ngine-birthday bengibacela. So bazongilethela i-stationery, bangilethela igawulo ngivaye ngesigela. Yabona ngishayela incosi igawulo kwami. Yabona ngicelebrate neincosi kube mnandi sijabule. And mina bengicula esigela. Bengenza ne-drum. So whenever bavaya incosi bengitshela boMiza la ukuthi whenever nivaya nize nizolanda ukudla noma ngabe ni-100. You understand? So that's what I was doing. And then kube nebulamahlo. Ibulamahlo ise kanjani eDigating. Yabe ibulamahlo home. So nakhona yes. So nakhona ngicelebrate nabo ibirthday yami. Last time I was there, some of my friends own an online shop wangipha 50 new pairs of sneakers, like 50. I donated 50 new pairs of sneakers. And then that bakery futhi yaphinda yangipha stationery, ama school bags. I even taught the kids ukuthi benze kanjani, ngabafundisa business there and there. You understand? So this year my plan is to have 100 pairs of school shoes, and then even nama pads, cosmetics, everything, clothes and stuff. And so far, people have pledged 6 pairs of shoes. Currently, kunabantu abanginika icathulo ezi-6. So ngishota nga-94 icathulo. Yeah.
My 94 icathulo uzoyithola.
Ngizohamba mnganami. This year I've got all the time ngesikhathi sonke. Yeah.
Nawo abatshele la.
Yeah.
Bakudonate.
Ngiyacela
sendela le clip ubathume.
Yeah, ngiyacela emakhaya ukucelebrate ibirthday yami. It's not about me, but for abantwana. Senzela abantwana abaswelayo abangane needs. So all I'm asking for is 100 pairs of school shoes. Ukuthi abantwana nabo baye esikolweni bagcoke kahle. You know umntwana makagcoke kahle uba ne-confidence. Yabona, because umntwana ongagcokanga kahle uleki confidence. Yabo. So all I'm asking for my business friends wami, only 1 pair from each and every one of you izowenza umehluko empilweni zabantwana.
Yeah, let's make it 2. Let's make it
2 pairs.
So zihlanganise 100.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Siyabonga uThami, siyabonga. Well, I always say to people, it's good to be important, but it's more important to be good.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
So wonke umuntu uyafuna uba important.
Yeah.
Kodwa kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ube good ebantwini. Understand? So keep on being good to people. And be rest assured ukuthi the overflow of blessings izoba khona empilweni yami.
Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga Thami. Well, in closing, any message to abantu baserenkeni, our Quantum subscribers?
Bafethu, ngicela nihlale nibheka njalo le podcast. Le podcast iphethe indaba ezimnandi. Nami ngiyayilandela each and every time, and I get inspired ngale podcast. Keep on watching. Thank you.
Hayi siyabonga. Thank you.
Good.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Hayi siyabonga bafethu. Now we came to the end of the road bafethu. Sesifike la ijourney yethu iphelela khona ngoba vela ngeke uvaye waya noma ungadlula ama toll gate, wadlula yonke into egcineni uzomela ufike ku destination. So manje sesifike ku destination yethu bafethu. Siyabonga. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share and hit that notification button. Put every time masingene elayinini masithi bip na ugibele vele. So that's it for me, your boy Kemstage. All I can say is 8 Awe.
Thank you.